Types of temperature scales. To measure temperature, different scales are used. For the definition of any temperature scale, two fixed points are needed. They are lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Melting point of ice at normal pressure is taken as lower fixed point. And boiling point of water at normal pressure is taken as upper fixed point. The intervals between these two fixed points are divided into equal parts. Depending on the numerical values assigned for lower fixed point and upper fixed point, we have different temperature scales. They are Celsius scale or centigrade scale, and Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, and Rankine scale. Centigrade scale. The lower fixed point of centigrade scale is 0 degrees Celsius and upper fixed point of centigrade scale is 100 degrees Celsius and the number of divisions are 100. Fahrenheit scale. The lower fixed point of Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit and the number of divisions are 180 divisions. Kelvin scale. The lower fixed point of Kelvin scale is 273.15 Kelvin and upper fixed point is 373.15 Kelvin and the number of divisions are 100 divisions. And 0 Kelvin of Kelvin scale is known as absolute zero. And Kelvin scale is known as absolute scale. Rankine scale. The lower fixed point of Rankine scale is 492 degree Rankine and the upper fixed point of Rankine scale is 672 degree Rankine and the number of divisions are 180 divisions. Conversion of temperature from one scale to another. Since the temperature on different thermometric scale are defined on the basis of the assumption that the liquid expand linearly with temperature, so if R be the reading of the thermometer corresponding to a certain temperature scale, then R minus LFP by UFP minus LFP will be constant. In place of a particular scale, we have to place the reading of the scale. For example, to convert centigrade to Fahrenheit, if the centigrade is the known scale, in place of C, we have to place the value to get the F value, or similarly K and R. Numerically, the formula can be written like this: C minus 0, C minus LFP of centigrade scale is 0, and coming to the UFP minus LFP. UFP is 100 and LFP is again 0. So the formula can be simplified in the following way. By placing the reading value in any desired scale, we can get the unknown scale, and it is very easy to convert the temperature of one scale to the another scale.